Hey there! Today, we're diving into the secret sauce that can instantly put you in the vibration of success. So, what's the secret? It's all about your top 5 manifestations in 2023. Yep, those big wins, those amazing creations that made your year. Your task today is to list your top 5 manifestations from 2023 and, crucially, why they were so important to you. And then, look for that magical thread that runs through all of them. Find the common theme that cut across these top 5 manifestations. Was it determination, positivity, or maybe connecting with the right people? This common theme is your secret weapon for success. It's your personal recipe for manifesting greatness. Now here's the magic. Just revisiting these top 5 manifestations can instantly put you in the vibration of success. It's like flipping a success switch in your mind. And here's the plan for 2024, do more of those things that contain the common theme. Amplify it. But if you want more tips and guidance on where to focus in 2024, our Find My Intention workshop has got your back. Learn how to channel your energy into what truly matters. It's the secret to making 2024 your best year yet. Ready to make 2024 your best year? Join the Find My Intention workshop and start manifesting greatness.